Hey, we're going to discuss subtraction this morning. I am going to give you two ways. Two kinds of subtraction. In simple fraction, we have to classify like and unlike, or similar and dissimilar fractions. Now, in this example, we have here on the board like or similar fractions. When we say like, the denominators are alike. And immediately subtract the numerator. 5 minus 3 is 2. Just copy the common denominator. Now, this can be reduced to lowest term. Divide this by 2, and that is 1. Divide this by 2, and that is 4. So, the result is 1/4. Okay. It is good to write just or. Okay. So, this is to be divided by 2. This one is to be divided by 2. That's in simple way. Number 2. Again, another like fraction. We have 4/5 minus 1/5. 4 minus 1 is 3 over the common denominator 5. I know you already understand, but we have more examples. 6/10 minus 3/10. So we have 6 minus 3 is 3/10. Easy, right? Let's move on. Number 4. 9/20 minus 7/20. 9 minus 7 is 2. The common denominator is 20. Again, this can be reduced to lowest term. So, the greatest common factor is 2. The greatest common factor that will divide the numerator and denominator, the same number, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, this is the reduced answer, 1/10. Okay, number 5. 12/15 minus 4/15. So, 12 minus 4 is 8/15. Since it cannot be reduced anymore, so leave it like that. Okay, let's go to number or letter B. We are done with like, that is letter A. Now we're going to discuss unlike or dissimilar fraction. Example, 1/2, di ba? 1/2 and 1/3 are unlike. Okay, 1/2 minus 1/3. Like in addition, you are going to look for LCD. What is LCD of 2 and 3? So let's use 6. Never use 12. Never use 24. 12 can be divided by 2, can be divided by 6. But that is not the least. We are looking for the least common denominator. So 6 is the correct LCD. So 6 divided by 2, 3 times 1, 3. And this one is to be copied. 6 divided by 3, 2 times 1, it's 2. 3 minus 2 is 1/6. Right? Okay, number 2. In number 2, we have 3/5 minus 1/3, 1/2. So the LCD is 10. Okay, you may think of 20. Do not use 20. That is not the LCD. It's 10. 10 divided by 5, 2 times 3 is 6. 10 divided by 2, 5 times 1, it's 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Copy. So 1 over 10 is the answer. Okay, number 3. What is the LCD of 12 and 3? Okay, I will use 12. Is 12 can be divided by 12? Yes. Is 12 can be divided by 3? Yes. Is it least? Yes. So let's continue. 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 9. So you are going to multiply the result by the numerator. Again, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1. It is 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5 over 12. Okay, number 4. Number 4. What is the LCD? I will be using 20. 20 can be divided by 20 and 20 can be divided by 4. No other least common denominator but 20. So let's continue. 20 divided by 20. 1 times 7. 7. Just copy this one. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Times 1 is 5. Then subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2 over 20. Again, this can be reduced by 2. Divide this by 2, it's 1. Divide this by 2 is 10. Okay. We have another one here. The LCD is not 8 but 4. So LCD is the number that could divide, that will be divided by 4 and it will be divided by 2. But that is not the least common. So we will use 4. 4 is the correct LCD. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3. 3. Copy this one. Copy the subtraction. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1. So it is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 over 4. And that is the answer. That's for subtraction of fractions. Again, I classified similar fraction and dissimilar fraction because they have different way of computing subtraction. So we have to classify first like or unlike, similar or dissimilar. Okay.